Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This will be a short video. A lot of people ask me to put English subtitle on my videos. So in this short video, I will show you how can you get subtitle in any language you want, not just English. This method, it's working just for laptops and computers. So it's easy steps. First of all, you go to the video, and for example in this video you go to settings and you go for subtitles, auto translate, and you can choose any language you want. For example, we'll choose English, and here you can see that the subtitle is changed from Polish to English. You can do this for any language. So that's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching. And yes, I would like to say thanks for everyone for the support. I almost reached 100 subscribers, so please subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.